Hey guys, this is Ivy and we're going in DSW to shop for us some boots and shoes. And this store is the Store Emporium. Oh, look at these. Oh wow, those are cute. I like that. These I guess they $59. Okay, so we're gonna look at some more. These I guess. Oh my God, guys, I think I'm gonna probably grab me a pair of these. I hope you guys don't mind shopping with me when I'm actually buying some stuff. So I am going to buy. I have to get these. My daughter swear by these. She love these shoes. Let me see if they have my size, which is an 8. Okay, guys, here it is. This is the shoe. I'm gonna take you to the mirror so you can see. See, that's how it looks right there. I love this shoe. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm gonna grab this shoe right here. Okay. So I'm gonna grab these. They are by Guess right here. Now you guys wanna see if a shoe fits you well? Try that shoe on with a sock. I always bring a sock with me because the sock is gonna put you in a comfortable place. Not like the stocking I do, okay? So let's look around and see what else they got. So those are all the shoes. Here are some of the taller boots, but this is tall but flat. Look at this. That's tall. Okay, that looks slippery to me. I don't want no shoe that's, but you know, it's one of those good shoes that we will wear. So that'll be a good shoe to wear. You gotta be okay. So I had to get away from those shoes, guys. I done knocked all the shoes down. So these are some different shoes also. Like this is by Timberland right here. This shoe is. And that's how that one looks. It's much more softer than the Guess shoe. And it's actually $139. That's very expensive to me but I understand that it's by Timberland. And Timberland is a little more pricey. And here is a Steve Madden shoe. It's $99. Let's see the other side of it. That's how that looks. That's pretty. Actually, I like that. Okay, and here's some of our taller boots right here. These are actually some nice boots, but if I'm gonna wear a tall boot up high, I need, like, it's gonna be some fun going on. So, like, I like those boots, but like I told, those are like boots for my sister wear, those type of boots. I'm more of I like this boot that you saw me pick up, but these are traditional. These are pretty. And this by Born. Oh, look at that. Okay, I like that. And it zips down the back. And this is how the front look. Let me unzip. That's how the inside of it look. Look at that, guys. You should like that. I like that. Now that's a cute boot. Okay, here's the UGG. Okay, y'all see this? Koulibaly. Yeah, it's by UGG. UGG made this. Yeah, I like that. So they bring it down their prices so people can afford them. That's what they doing. So this is by Koulibaly is by UGG. So these are $49. They sandals, that type of stuff. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is a UGG. It's $149. Look at this one. That's cute, but that's a little booty. So you guys know from go and watch my Von Mar video, and you will see where I am looking for a boot, and I showed you why I was looking for a boot. So I'm just trying to see which ones are matched, but those are cute. So you got a brown one, you got this one. What's this? It's by UGG. Okay, this is a sleeper or something like that up in here. So, and how much is it? $98. And there's another one. That's a UGG blanket. 98. Gotta move. Okay. These are $159. I like these too. Oh, okay. These leather. I think this is a leather outside. Yeah. All on $159. They got some black ones, and then they got some like silver, gold, or whatever. And that's how the inside is pink. These $159 also. Let me see. Okay, those are not something I really want to get hold to. These are $149, and These got the bow. I don't like anything with a bow on it. Okay, this is cute to me. And this $139 actually. This one is $139, so that's a good one. That's a brown one. Let's see. Okay, these $159 right here. There they go. $159. They got these in brown. They just got a limited selection of UGG boots. What's this? A UGG purse? That's a UGG bag. It's a UGG bag. What the price at? Look like the price been broke off of it. Guys, I love bags and shoes. Like, I shop for bag and shoes all the time. That's one of my pet peeves. Oh, look at that. Okay, I like this one. And how much is this boot? It's probably $149 to $150. My mother told me it gotta be good weather, y'all. Y'all know how bad our weather is up here. We always have bad weather. That is a joke. When it get cold, it's cold, okay? It ain't. But I'm stuck on this gray because my boot is ruined. Okay, here's a black pair with this in the front of it. I don't know how much. I know. I like them. This might be one I might consider. We're not gonna have good weather, so mother. I mean, you know, that's just it. Okay, guys. They don't have my size, so that's it for that right there. But I am going to take a picture of these boots because I like them and so I can remember which ones they are. More Uggs right here. Here's some more. Okay. I like this. That's cute, ain't it? That's cute. But I like stuff that hold my shoe in it, my pants in my boot. This one, $184. So that right there, that's a lot right there. But, I mean, it's a good boot, but it ain't going to hold my shoe in. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. Sorrel. Yeah, you don't say that. That's a deadly disease to say that. Sorrel. These is pretty.
Yeah, the
See,
sorrels are pretty.
the sorrels are nice. I like the sorrels. But, okay, it's cheaper here. But my sorrels was very expensive at Macy's.
Yeah.
So this is DSW is a warehouse though, so that's why. DSW is a warehouse, yes. Okay, I actually like this shit. You can wear that. I like that. But Sorrel's kind of rain boots. Yeah, that's what that is. That goes Sperry. I don't buy really Sperry that much, but that's a Sperry boot. What are these boots? Jennifer Lopez got her own boots out. These by Jennifer Lopez. Okay, and then here's a winter boot. They $79. Jennifer Lopez, she getting in the shoe business now, huh? Okay.
All right.
That's the key.
That's the key.
Oh wow, look at these. They call Cougars. Yeah. Oh wow, I like this boot. Ain't that pretty?
Oh, that's
I like that.
It's cute.
It's a rest from UGG and all of those. I like. Now those are cute too. Y'all know we look at these type of boots because it stay cold up here. Now this is from Canada.
And then got some.
And I don't have a lot of sole. That's my mother, guys, today. She kicking it with me today. She allowed to come out 2 days a week. Cougars. That's another pair of Cougars right there. I like those, and it's the automatic crunch. It's an automatic droop in it. I like those. Another boot by Kookaburra by UGG. Yeah, these are Kookaburras. These are right here. That's by UGG. That's new. It's kind of like a cheaper design. But that's good. UGG decided they needed to help out, huh? Help the world by UGG. And it says by UGG. I bet you these get popular. Watch. Up here. They're gonna, yeah, because it's a cheaper brand. I like those too. Those too. This is called GBC Los Angeles. And those are cute. And you would think that they are because the way they got the name going. Yes. Cute. Bear paw, of course, y'all always know. Oh, look at bear paw. I like that. Okay, bear paw, $89, guys. Y'all know bear paw is one of, like, it's been out, tried and true. It's another rain boot by Sorrel. It's kind of like a snow boot, rain boot mixed together because it's got that material. The Hunters, I love Hunter boots. And this has this on it right here. So you're doing pretty good with these. There's a blue pair, the same one. They 134. Those are pretty. Okay, let's look at the tall hunter boots. Then we're going to get in line. Here you go, guys. This hunters are heavy boots for one. They real heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they heavy. They heavy boots. They rain boots, but people buy they wear them for regular boots. Like it's the fashion statement now with hunter. Okay, guys. All right, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll leave you with a little bit of these going out the door. That's hunter. That's hunter. That's hunter. Those are hunters. Nice set. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel and hit like. Bye.